Hello, my fellow modelers. So, Jason over at Hot Rod Model Cars asked a question of everybody of the community on what's your oldest kit and what's your favorite kit. So, these are my two oldest kits. This one's actually from 1961. As you can see, the box is in excellent condition and everything's there. It's kind of one of those kits, you know, some of these older ones, not everything is always on the sprue. And that's typical of this one. There's a lot of things missing off the sprue, but it's all there. I mean, I'm sorry, not merely missing, it's just kind of, you know, there's a lot of parts. Here's the instructions on this one. They're really cool. I really like these old kits and the detail that they went into with a lot of the instructions. And so that is that one. Oops, I'm gonna just push this aside here. Let me go over some box art on here, just because they've got some really cool models on the side here. Love to find some of these. And then, of course, their tanks and the motorized Allison prop jet engine. The sport fishing boat. I've never seen that one before. That would be a cool one to find. And then the second one I have is from 1965, and it's the Indianapolis Racer from Monogram. This box is also in really good condition, and I love this kit. This thing is in amazing condition. They don't really have much sprue, but a lot of things are missing. But look at these decals from 1965, and these decals are still in excellent condition. No cracking, nothing. Now, I don't know if these would, you know, how these would actually apply today, but I'm shocked with the condition of this thing. Ooh, excuse me. The body is really cool looking. I will be building this one. And then it comes with a couple of men. It actually comes with a driver, but I used that on the USAC build. And then this guy. And yeah, so those. Oh, sorry. I really wanted to show you these instructions. These are some really interesting instructions on it. Let me check that out. Look at that. The detail on these instructions is just, it's amazing, really. I mean, I've never seen anything quite like it. How in depth it goes into each piece. And this one actually has steering that you could actually steer from the steering wheel, which is pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to building this one. Not sure when I'm going to get to it, but I definitely will be building it. And so let me put you guys down for a second, and I'll take you over to my shelf, and we'll take a look at my absolute favorite one that I've had so far. I'll be back in a second. So actually, I have two favorite ones. This is the Big Rod, and I will be having a video of this eventually. It's just kind of sitting up here right now because a lot of the pieces are just kind of there, just kind of laid up. But I believe I do have everything for this kit except for the little rods that come down. I think I have one of them, but not two of them. Here's kind of the brochure, and there's a couple different versions of it. And I have the Big T, this one right here. Super cool kit. I love this thing. Can't wait to build it. It's just kind of deciding what direction I'm going to go with it, but very detailed kit, of course, because it's such a big scale. And you can see the plug wires, and this is all just stuff that came in the kit. There's nothing here that is custom. So this, like I said, I've just kind of placed this here. There's a lot of pieces that have fallen off, and so but yeah, super cool kit. And then I was really shocked to get this one. I actually picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace for $15, and it is 100% complete. I'm not going to go into it just now because I will be posting a video of this later on. But this thing is cool. I believe the Datsun has a 350 Chevy in it. The dirt bikes, comes with dirt bikes, 2 dirt bikes, trailer, all these little pieces here. Yeah, just a really neat kit. Again, I will be posting a video of this one later when I start to restore it. The truck has been started, but nothing else. The dirt bikes are still on the sprue. So is the trailer. But the truck is somewhat done in this blue color. But I'll probably be changing that, and I'm not sure I'm going with the side exhaust. I'm not really crazy about that, but I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, that's my models, that my oldest and my favorite. I'm sure I'll have another favorite here soon. You know, always collecting and getting different ones, so that definitely changes. But this Big T is by far my favorite so far. So thanks everyone for subbing, and thanks for watching. And throw me some comments. Tell me what you think, and I will talk to you later.